What's up, Jaycationers? We are here at the Mercat de SANT ANTONI. Its grand opening is tomorrow, and we're gonna go check it out before anybody else checks it out during the grand opening. So stay tuned. What's up, Jaycationers? We are here in Barcelona. This is going to be a much anticipated vlog for Barcelona. It's the Mercat de SANT ANTONI grand opening this weekend. It is just right around the corner from where I live. So, you know, it's my last week here, so we better go check it out. This place has the potential of being the hot new tourist spot. We'll see. It could be the new Boqueria Mercat. We'll see. So we're walking down. I can see the Mercat in the distance. This actually used to be a through street, and they actually paved it. Now it's just people walking and like some motorcycles passing through. Mercat's over this way, so let's go there and check it out. Pretty cool area. They got some plants and whatnot and some benches you could chill out in. La Vietnamita, the Vietnamese pho spot that I hit up a lot around the corner, is here. You walk over here and it's awesome. Like, this used to be like a through street, a bunch of cars on each way, and now it's just all walking, and it's cool. This will be the first time I walk through it. So this is awesome. This is the first time that I've actually been able to walk this close to the building. It's been fenced off for the last 2 years that I've lived here. Yeah, it was originally supposed to open in like October of 2016 when I first got here, and it was delayed, and like a year and a half, almost 2 years later, it's finally opening up. The inauguration is tomorrow, but I decided to go today before the crowds are too crazy. So let's go check it out. You get that fresh new building scent instead of that fresh new car scent. It's exciting. This is really surreal being in here for the first time, like just seeing it. And all the seafood stalls are setting up. It's really reminiscent of the Boqueria. So far I've walked through like the fruits and vegetables section and the seafood, a lot like the St. Joseph Boqueria Mercat. But what makes it different is that obviously it's new, but they also have clothing stalls here too. They sell anything from baby wear to men's wear to women's wear, jewelries, lingerie, undergarments, and everything else. And they also have some fabrics. Go to the outer parts of it, and they have clothing. I can only imagine how packed this place is going to be tomorrow and Saturday. I mean, it's the inauguration. It's not too far off of the main path, so this place is going to be on and popping the next few days. Also, another really cool wine bar. Can't beat that. You can also get your ham and cheese cones over here, which is really awesome. And they have those specialized cash There it is, the Pollo Pavo Espinacas burger meat. Buy that all the time, man. All I have to do is walk 2 blocks and get it now. I gotta come back and get that Manila beer. They also have really cheap wine. When I was saying really cheap wine in Lidl, I'm not saying it's like cheap as in bad. It's actually really good wine for like 2-3 euros. This place looks like it's gonna be on and popping all the time. Like it's already busy right now, and it's not even the grand opening officially yet. Picked myself a little Barca patch. I have a little project I'm doing with my luggage. I'm trying to Barca it out. So yeah, picked up this patch. If you guys want to have breakfast here, that place La Desayuneria where I went to that has like breakfast pancakes is right over this way. So there's actually a lot of cool spots to eat here. La Vietnamita, La Desayuneria. Jaycation, my favorite cafe, is only down the street. Also my favorite Roman pizza spot, Pizza di Torre, I'll give that a little mention, is over that way too. There's a lot of great food places around here, and you have the market smack dab in the middle. Also what I love about it is that it's nice and air conditioned inside. So I got my mini fouettes. It's an assortment of it. It's a mini pequeño cone. It was only $2.50, so I was excited to have some of this. You could also get bigger ones, but I went with the little one. Mid in the afternoon. Right in front of me, you see this little warehouse looking thing. This was the temporary housing for all the markets. Even though the Mercat de SANT ANTONI is brand new, they remodeled it. It's not brand new, it's an old place, but they just remodeled it. They relocated all the stalls and stands in there. Now they're gonna tear that down, turn that into a street, and all the thoroughfare that came through these streets will be diverted this way, eventually. So one thing I noticed that this market doesn't have are the fresh juices. I haven't seen any like empanada spots or El Quim-like Boqueria, but give it time, you know, it's just opening. So there may be other stalls and other restaurants opening up here, so you never know. They might have fresh juices here soon.
Just then.
Take back that comment, they do have fresh juices. They're just not as many. They're here, you just gotta look for it. I'll tell you what though, that Casa Jacinta score definitely gonna benefit and have a lot of customers for cafe con leches, some cervezas and whatnot. Check it out, right behind me is Pizza di Torre, my favorite pizza spot, and the Mercat's just right over there. So guys, you guys have a lot of great options here, and the streets around it are closed, so they got nice park benches, some tables here you can lounge at, and yeah, it just brings this area of San Antonio to life. That's another cool place. This is a zero waste store, so like they don't use plastics or anything, and you just get what you need there without any like extra containers, and it really helps the environment. It's called like a zero waste store. So I was going to pick up some food. I went to Condis. I thought the pasta rucola and the Manila beer would be cheaper, but it's not. So I'm just gonna go back to the market and pick some up. 69 cents. That's my favorite right there. The best. They are definitely crazy about their olives here in Spain and Barcelona. It's crazy. I'm not an olive person. Alright, now that's really it from the market. Got my bags. Anyways guys, I am enjoying my fouette. I'm gonna finish it up. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below, are you excited to go check out the new market in Barcelona? San Josep Boqueria, better watch out because this place is awesome. But anyways, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Visca Barça.